Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Edipo, the architect. I want to show you a product right now that you can use in the outdoor area of your house. Around the pool, in your garden, in your backyard, or in that outdoor hallway you have at your house. Here it is, look, the famous Fuge floor. Some people know it as Fuge floor, others know it as draining floor. Several colors available for you. And the coolest thing I want to show you right now, the living proof. Come here, look at this, a totally draining floor. Look, I showed you this in other videos here. It's a floor that absorbs and lets the water flow naturally. Look at this, non-slip, which is also great for you to use around your pool. Made with natural stones, guys. Look, this is natural stone. Here we have several colors. Just here we have a palette of 5 colors. Just here, look at this. It's a mix of a product made from natural stones with a product called Holdstone Pro. Okay, you're going to mix this product. Are you going to use, for example, a concrete mixer? It's more common and faster when you have a large area at home to do this. If you have a small area, for example, you can use a traditional mixer. It works. But for a large area, a concrete mixer is better. You're going to mix the color of the stone you've chosen. In this case, here we have 5 colors, and mix it with Holdstone Pro. Grab an aluminum ruler to level it out nicely, and then use a trowel to get this smooth finish you're seeing here. Looks fancy and nice. A trendy luxury floor that's both durable and resistant because it's made of stone. Another question I got a lot is, Edipo, can you drive a car over this? This is a parking lot. These are parking spaces. Each color you see here is a parking space here, okay? So if you were looking for a nice floor, a resistant floor, a draining floor here. Look, now the question is, right, hey Edipo, where can I buy this product? So how do I do it? To buy the kit, you're going to buy the natural stone in the color you chose.
With Holdstone Pro, it's a kit that you will have to buy.
Comment below. I want to know your opinion. What do you think about this here? What do you think about this here? A fully draining, resistant floor with a color palette for you to choose from to match your outdoor project at home. All right, the information is down here. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Don't skip, don't stop, don't leave the video. Come here, look at this. Many people ask, Edipo, if I wash it, will the stones fall off? Show it up close. Look. With the famous high pressure washer. See if any little stones come off the ground there. Look, check this out. It's hard to clean. No, with a high pressure washer, you'll naturally clean the floor.
Look at this here, check it out.
You can pick the whiter, the grayer, or any color you want. And then, when it's time to clean, just use a high pressure washer. It's really simple, all right? This is also a common question people ask me. How do you clean it when it starts to get dirty and all that? Here guys, look, this is it. You can also notice that water isn't accumulating. That's the function it serves. It's a draining floor. See that? It's really cool. A European technology available for you who want to make your home's outdoor area beautiful, resistant, and durable.